In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on your Godaddy website in under 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up your website for the first time or you're looking to switch the language for any reason, I've got you covered. It's simpler than you might think, and by following these straightforward steps, you'll have your website set in your preferred language in no time. Firstly, let's start by accessing your Godaddy account. To do this, you'll need to go to the Godaddy homepage. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page. Now you're going to need to enter your credentials. That means typing in your username and password into their respective fields. These are the details you chose when you first created your Godaddy account. If by any chance you've forgotten them, don't worry. Godaddy offers options to recover your username or reset your password right from the login page. After entering your login details, click on the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. This is where you can manage everything related to your Godaddy services, including domain names, hosting, and, of course, the language settings we're here to adjust. Once you're logged in, move your cursor to your profile photo, which is also located at the top right corner of the page. Your profile section is essentially the gateway to your account settings, billing information, and more. For our current task, you'll need to look for the option labelled shopgodaddy.com. This button is your key to adjusting the website's interface and services to better suit your preferences. After clicking on shopgodaddy.com, the page will refresh and take you to the main shopping area of Godaddy. But we're not here to shop, we're here to tweak our settings. So, the next step is to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. This is a good tip for navigating many websites when you're looking for language or regional settings. They're often tucked away at the bottom of the page. Now here comes the part where you choose your preferred language. At the bottom of the page, you'll find several options, including currencies, countries, and languages. It's a simple process, but one that's very important for ensuring that your website communicates correctly with your audience. Click on the language selection, which will present you with a list of available languages that Godaddy supports. Browse through the list and choose the one that you prefer or that best suits your website's audience. Selecting a new language will refresh the page, and voila, the Godaddy website will now display in the language you selected. It's that simple. But remember, changing the language on the Godaddy platform doesn't automatically translate your website's content. This change only affects the language used in the Godaddy user interface and tools. If you're looking to create or manage multi-language content on your website for your visitors, you might want to explore Godaddy's website builder tools or third-party services that offer translation and multilingual support. It's worth taking a moment to remember why offering your website in more than one language can be beneficial. First and foremost, it makes your site more accessible to a broader audience, which is particularly useful if your business or content has global appeal. Moreover, providing content in multiple languages can significantly enhance user experience, potentially increasing engagement, trust, and ultimately conversions or follower growth. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language of your Godaddy website's interface. This adjustment can make managing your website a lot easier if you're more comfortable with a language other than English, or if you're trying to manage a website in a language that's better suited for your audience. Remember, while changing the interface language is a great first step, always consider your audience's needs when creating and managing content. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of your Godaddy experience, and much more. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.